this video is going to be my fall decor decorating video. I love watching other people's decorating videos to get inspiration, so hopefully you guys enjoy this one. It's kind of gonna be like throughout a week. I'm not gonna do all the decorating right at once just because I kind of like to deep clean the room that I'm decorating before I add new things to it, just because it's a good opportunity to clean it and it doesn't feel like you should decorate a room that's not super clean. So today I'm starting by the very first thing is I am putting up this beautiful wreath on our front door. I haven't actually ever put a wreath up on our front door, so I'm super excited. I got the wreath holder at the dollar store, mainly because I could not find one anywhere and they had them there. I think it was $3. This wreath I got at Winners, and it was $50. Our door is not super huge. I know some people have like beautiful big doors and they had like huge, beautiful wreaths, but I measured and they were legitimately too big for our door. So I went with this one. It was like the biggest one I could get that still like fit on our like door. So I need to cut the tag off of it actually. And then another new thing I bought for the front door is this mat. I think I will probably use this for fall and for Christmas. So basically it's just a big doormat, but you put it underneath another mat. So I'm gonna stick this at the front door and then a fall doormat on top, and then at Christmas I'll just swap out the mat on top. This I got off of Amazon. You can search black and white doormat or buffalo plaid doormat and you should be able to find lots of options. They probably have these at stores as well right now. I just found that they were pretty expensive, the ones that I could find in stores, and on Amazon this was like $10, so I went with an Amazon one. Okay, this is from Michael's. And center this. Okay, I'm going to do this little area right now. So obviously I'm gonna clean it first because there's like all sorts of stuff happening there and the couch really needs a good cleaning. So I'm gonna vacuum and clean this up, and then, so I'm gonna put the fall pillows out and blanket and then just like a little fall candle and something on this and clean everything up. So I'm gonna start with a nice clean and then get that all ready. Okay, these are the pillows that I'm gonna put out. I got these last year at HomeSense, so they are a year old, but I still really like them, so I'm gonna put them out again. And then I'm also gonna leave these white ones out still. I'm just going to take the covers off. It's just like a zip cover, so I'm just gonna take these off and wash them because they need a good wash. Okay, so when I was at Michael's grabbing the welcome sign for the front door, I also grabbed a candle. I didn't actually have any fall candles, so had to get one. It was kind of different because with having a mask on, you can't really smell the candles, and I'm used to just like smelling the candles when I'm there. So I had to just kind of guess which kind I would like, and so I got a pumpkin pie. It kind of smells like vanilla-y and pumpkin-y. It's really good. So yeah, this is from Michael, so I'm gonna add this over here. So there's nothing crazy fancy in the living room. I put out these pillows with the white pillows behind them. Then over there and over there. And then I have this gray pillow that says, let's get cozy. And then I have my little plate. I need to get some treats on there and my pumpkin candle. And of course on my little mug rack, I have to add my cute little pumpkin mug. I of course need some pumpkin tea towels, so I have pumpkin spice and everything nice with some pumpkins on it. And I have 2 that are just the same of those, so I'm gonna put those out. Okay, so this is like a little nook I have in the front of the house by the entranceway, so I like to decorate these. So this is what it looks like before. I don't actually, one of these plants is supposed to be over there. I don't know why they're both over here, but that's what it looks like right now. And then I also have one over here, and right now this is just hanging from when we went to the Dominican Republic. We put that up. This is like a thing for summer, so definitely we'll put that down until next summer. For the little nook area, I'm gonna start by hanging this guy. This is from Michael's a couple years ago, so I hang that one there. And then on this side, I have this one, which is also from Michael's a couple years ago. I think it's from last year, so it's only a year old, but that's also from Michael's. And then in Canada, Thanksgiving is in October, so I put out like the Thanksgiving-y stuff right away because it's right at the beginning of October. So I have this little thankful sign that I'm gonna put here. And I have this one which says welcome friends. And I'm gonna put this here with this little arrangement. But first I'm gonna go collect some rocks and put some rocks in the bottom of this to hold this in better and make it look a little better on the bottom. So I'm gonna go do that. Okay, so I made a last minute decision to add some leaves under the thankful sign. I bought these like so long ago, and like it was like one big long thing, and for some reason I had cut it. I think I used it for something in my condo that I lived in before this, and I needed like small pieces, I guess, so I had cut it. So now I have all these little pieces. So I had a little 3 little pieces that I added to that one. And then this strand was longer, so I put it under that, and I kind of like it, so I'm gonna leave it like that. So this is the actual finished nook over here. And then in this nook over here, I put this one. I love this, it's from Michael's. It's so cute, it's kind of got like scarecrow-y vibes. And then I have this that I made a couple weeks ago in a video, and it's just in a little mug, and it has pine cones that I found outside and painted. And then it's on top of this little bin, which is just like a upside down container that I just always keep in this nook to put things on so that it fills it better. And I just added some little leaves to it so that it looks more fall. And then I put this on the table. So this is just like a little tablecloth for fall. And then I actually have 6 of these placemats, but there's only 2 of us that live here, so except for like when we have people over for dinner, I'll just put out more of them. But our table's pretty small, and like there's only 2 of us that eat dinner every day. So I just put 2 of them out for now. And then I put this in the middle to go to this side because it's a little sunny. So it just looks like this. Cute little setup for the table. I also have some fall napkins. So these both have like white on one side and then like fall colors on the other side. So they're super cute. I like to just like, you can just put them like on top of each other like that, or you could use the white side and do something like that. Super simple, just bought these at Walmart for a couple dollars, and they had like a bigger pack and a smaller pack, so I thought it'd be cute to use them together. I need to get like a napkin holder or something to put napkins in, because right now I just kind of put them on the placemats and then put one on this side. And I just keep them in a big bag. Obviously, gotta put some Bath & Body Works pumpkin soap out, and I'll take away the blackberry and basil soap that I had in there. Okay, so that is all of the fall decor that I'm going to put out for right now. It is only the first week of September, so I am pretty sure that I'll probably end up buying more fall decor and putting some more stuff out. So I very possibly might do a part 2. I will for sure do a separate video of like Halloween themed stuff that I'm going to put out. I'm gonna wait a little while longer before I put any Halloween stuff out, but I feel like that's a bit more of an October thing. Right now, I kind of want fall vibes, Thanksgiving-y vibes, that sort of thing. So I got all of that basic stuff out. So I hope you enjoyed seeing all of the fall decor. And if any of you are like me and you love fall decor, I hope that you enjoyed this. I love watching other people's fall decor videos and getting ideas. There's just something about fall colors and fall vibes that just make me so happy. I don't know why. I just love it. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.